Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our new video on Tech Post. So, in this video, I gonna show you how you can make a poster or a catchy design. Okay, so before I start the video, please do subscribe on my channel. So, this is the tool ChatGPT where you can ask and you can do anything. This is one of the great and best AI tools ever. So for an example, if you have a business, okay, so you want to make a poster for your business, okay, so this is the dress. This is a very beautiful dress. Now I ordered ChatGPT, please make a beautiful image where a young girl wear this dress and she looks so pretty. I would like to make make a poster for my customers so that they loved to purchase this dress. Now generate an image. Okay, now this is my prompt. This is very basic prompt. Okay, if you learn prompt engineering, you could understand there are a lot of different types of prompts, and those prompts are much better. Okay, so this is a basic trial for you. Now I gonna generate a image with a girl who wear this dress, and let's start. So ChatGPT will create this image hopefully, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes maybe. If you are a plus user ChatGPT, it will take less time, but as you can see, this is free for you, so I think it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So don't worry, I assure you that ChatGPT will definitely give you a good generate a good image, and we all loved that image. So guys, the image is ready. You can see the image will show us too soon. The image is loading right now, few moments more. So, and one more thing, if you still not subscribe our channel, do subscribe guys. Don't be late for getting up to latest AI tools, news, software, all the tech updates. Please follow us and press the bell like icon to watch our videos at first on your feed. Okay, so don't be late, and the image will ready, I think so. Okay, so please wait few seconds more. Guys, our image is ready, so you can see this is the image already ChatGPT gives to us. Wow, this is amazing. Just look at the picture. Wow, this is so good, so good. And if you learn prompt engineering, then you will make much better images. Okay, so this is the picture, raw picture, and this is the AI image what ChatGPT provide to us. So you can easily make your poster, design banner for your business or generate. Okay, but you must learn prompt engineering. This is a very basic prompt I ordered ChatGPT. But if you know the actual prompt engineering, you will definitely make more and more beautiful pictures, images, okay, with ChatGPT. So this is for today. Please do subscribe on our channel, and goodbye.